Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how you can boot your device into recovery mode. So, for this, we will need a computer, as that's primarily what you're going to be using recovery mode for anyway, as it alone has no options. And you also need to have your phone plugged into your computer. Now, I'm going to be using Windows for this, but you can do this also on a Mac if you prefer that. And there will be a subtle difference between these two operating systems. On Windows, you will need to download the new program called Apple Devices, which is a replacement to iTunes, as iTunes has been now completely phased out by the looks of it. And on Mac, all you just need to do is open up your Finder. If you don't know what Finder is, it's basically this little window where you can navigate to your different folders, files, and stuff like that. And when you open it up and you have your iPhone plugged in, it will show up somewhere at the very top, and you can just select your iPhone. For me, that would be like right here on Windows. And when you click on it, instead of seeing what I have the internal storage, you would just see a page like this one right here. Now, on Windows, to get the Apple devices, you need to open up your store, Microsoft Store to be more precise, and simply search for Apple devices. It will show up right here. Select Get, kind of like this, you can see. And once it's installed, you can just open it up, and you will most likely get a pop-up to trust the computer. I don't know if you need to select to trust it or not, but anyway, once it's plugged in, I can then progress further. So on your phone, you will want to press volume up, then volume down, and then hold the power button for the rest of the time. So let's do it right now. Up, down, power. So I'm right now only holding power button. The device turned off right now, and I'm still holding power button. And there we go. We are now in recovery mode. Now on here, we should have it show up. There we go. So it took a moment. There's a problem with your iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. Now this is just kind of like a message. We can update it from here, restore it. I'm just gonna select cancel, and here you can see iPhone recovery mode. So there we go. That's how you boot your device into recovery mode. Now to leave this mode, you will again need to hold power button, or not power button, but volume up, then volume down, and again power button. Like so. And we're just gonna hold it till the screen turns off. There we go. And it should, I believe, either automatically boot into the iOS or, well, it's already booting up into iOS. So no additional steps needed once the screen turns off. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.